everyone, welcome back to Having the Crack. This is part 3 of the Escort rally car build. In this episode we are tackling the rear arches, and then we're going to get her in the spray booth for a bit of paint on the underside, through the engine bay and on the inside. If you haven't seen the first 2 episodes, if you're new to this one, make sure you go back and watch the other 2. If you've already watched the others, thanks for watching. Either way, make sure you give us a like, a follow and a subscribe. Let's get on with this one. Bosh. Right, rear arch. Getting it ready for the rear arches. Bit of prep to do. Because the last ones were
flushed in, so they were flushed over.
Yeah, lots of...
Because I like hitting stuff, I thought it'd be better if I flattened it.
Yeah.
I made it like same as the front, so we could just leave in the edge of the arch frame.
So when you do it, loads of filler doesn't come falling off.
True that.
So there's quite a bit of filler to get out of it.
Yeah, definitely. There's a fair bit there. Getting it flat now, bit of a skim round here.
Yeah.
Level it up a bit, and then yeah, get it squared up, and then we can put the arches on there. Make it look like a rally car.
So we've got to put the rear bulkheads in.
Seal them up.
Another riveting job.
Riveting.
So that's done. So now we've got to go around and get it all keyed up for priming. So we're going to go through, start at the front, go through with a 180, just give it a nice key, and then get some primer on her.
Sounds good.
Holy moly, it's becoming a car.
Unbelievable.
How are you looking, Mr. Prep Man? Prepped?
Oh, loving it.
That's your favourite bit, isn't it?
Oh, brilliant. Oh yes, rub the filler out.
Put some more in.
And put some more in, basically. Oh, getting there, yeah.
It's looking in a bit better shape now.
That's it, getting a bit straightened up. So then we can put the arch on then.
Have you held it up? See what you've got left to do? How are we looking?
Ah, it's getting there.
Well, that's not seamless.
Yeah, it will be. We'll be able to move this about a bit. Beat it with the hammer.
Beating?
Make it fit the car. Just got to make the car sort of straight so it looks good when it's painted. For 2 minutes.
2 minutes. To get the back quarter out of it. On the first stage.
Don't know what you want to make.
Not me.
Anything's possible.
How are we getting on this side?
Yeah, needs a bit of love over there.
Bit of love. Bit of sand in. It's got to be it now, isn't it? Surely.
Can't rush these situations, mate. Just got to get it all pretty flat around this area, just so we can get the arch to rivet on, or be flat, and otherwise it would just be a pain in the ass to try and fill her after. Got a bit up here, but that'd be alright, we can do that with the arch on.
Yeah. So is that
I'm getting bored of fucking rubbing down now. So we're going to do a few bit of countersinking. I've re-drilled these out from the inside, the ones I can get to.
Yeah.
Because they're already, the arches have already been on from years ago, so they already got the holes in.
Filler.
Another scratch.
Got a filler.
So I'm going to countersink these, put a few rivets in.
Yeah.
Or maybe you might countersink them and put a few rivets in because you're so good at it.
Yeah, as we learnt from the last video.
And then the rest of them should line up, so we had to drill them from here, countersink them, and then rivet them on.
Riveting again.
Riveting!
Do it. Right, so I've got a couple of rivets in on the first arch, so he's all lined up nicely. So go around, chuck some more in, and we can go around the other side and fit the other one.
insert.
Rivet.
Might have to fight him.
Need to rip it. We're in.
He's bloody brilliant, he is. What a perfect bloke to have on the team. I haven't counted something that one. Sorry, mate.
He's ahead of you.
Finger single. Ready?
Insert.
Insertion. We're in. Oh, another one. Oh, does. Fitted far too many rivets on this guy.
Just got to do the rest of them now.
Well, I would, but you put so much filler in it, we need longer rivets.
True.
You can edit that bit out.
Yeah.
Fillerlicious.
Prick.
Ready?
Yeah.
Pressure on. Done.
That's enough rivets in it, isn't it?
I was only going to get it off.
Done. Let's move it next door.
Call it done. Ready to rock into the spray booth. We may have got far too many cars. We have a parking situation going on up here.
Cars everywhere. Never have enough cars. I'm just going to lift this up and then put it on it.
What's next then? Rubber?
Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub.
Rub? What we got to rub?
All up in the inner arches, all everything here. Rub, rub, rub in the engine bay, all in the front panel, all in the arches, in the rear tubs, in the middle, in the back.
Well, it'd be easier to say rub the whole car, wouldn't it?
Rub the whole car. Get a key on everything, and then we can mask off the engine bay, paint the underneath and gravel tech it, paint it underneath, paint it,
Gravity take it underneath,
gravel tech it underneath,
paint it.
paint it.
Oh, come on then. I'll give you a... Oh, it's
Are you going to do some rubbing as well?
I'll give you a hand doing some
Good
rubbing.
lad. That's what we like to hear.
It's taken a long time sanding this down, isn't it? So,
Very easy.
we've gone and raided the retirement home for some extra help.
Yeah.
Finally, the sanding on the underside is done.
Done.
Done. So we're all set for what we're putting on primer.
Primer. Give it a quick wipe down, and then yeah, put some primer on, and then we'll put some gravel tape on it, and we'll put some colour on it.
That lovely dark grey.
Bit of grey on it. Yes.
Grey.
That is the plan, anyway.
We get some warmth in here first. It's a bit cold. Primer's done. Now we're on to Gravitech.
Gravitech.
Gravitech him up.
Your underbody coating stone chip protection over paintable.
Grayed up.
Grey. Using grey underneath.
Primed Gravitechs and now the custom house colour that is the grey
Grey.
is on.
Signature grey. Use grey underneath. Gravitech. Grey underneath. Grey in the arches.
Yeah,
It's even painted in the boot.
we're all done.
Just got to do inside now in grey. Got to do some rubbing down.
So the boot's grayed up.
Just got to get rubbing on the inside now.
All engine bay's done.
Looking tidy.
Beautiful. So next job to finish off then, like you said. All the inside now.
Yeah.
So more sanding.
More sanding.
Oh, I can't wait.
I've got no fingertips left now.
Right, let's put the camera down and grab some pads.
Right, starting to mask up around the edges. We got Barry taking the stickers off.
Oh, sorry.
Right there. There. You're meant to be taking stickers off, not
yeah,
playing with your beard.
Nothing to see here.
Unbelievable.
I'll get warm in a minute.
Yeah.
Still sanding, getting bored now. Getting bored?
I'm getting so bored of it.
Getting bored of it. I have to put some paint on too. So are we done now? We all rubbed down?
Good enough, I think.
Gotta get all the dust out of her now.
Yeah. Good enough.
Dust out and then slap some paint on.
We've got Barry giving it a wipe down.
Bit of panel white.
Are you ready to do some priming now, are you?
Oh yeah, it's my go, isn't it? Oh, here we go then.
Nice easy job all round the roll cage.
Oh yeah, you said that was the easiest bit.
Yeah.
That's the only reason I'm doing it.
Yeah, that's right.
No funny angles.
Easy peasy, mate.
Oh, that's it. Send her on. I'm enough now. Then we'll rub in, then we'll degrease in.
Let's go for it.
First up, prime on.
Prime on.
Optimus.
Put some prime on it.
Come on then, Optimus. Here we go.
Prime up.
Slope now, going downhill. Prime, how's it? Next up, our lovely grey. Right, that is the inside, all painted up. Looking lovely. I do like the dark grey on the inside. Gives it a nice contrast with whatever colour you decide to chuck on the outside. But here's all done. Nice job. On to the outside next. More rubbing. that's it then. Another little episode done on our Mark II Escort rally car build. So on to the next one, we'll be doing the outside then, I guess, huh? Prepping the outside, bit more rubbing.
I reckon so.
Bit more rubbing, get some colour on her. So if you want to see what colour is going, make sure you follow along, like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Bye! Bye then.